Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Khmer skills with Rocket Languages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey in recovering your Khmer skills with Rocket Languages, start by visiting the Rocket Languages website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, explore the language options and select Khmer. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Take note of the course structure, which includes lessons, quizzes, and cultural notes. Begin with the introductory lessons to reacquaint yourself with the basics. Pay attention to pronunciation and listen to the audio provided. Practice speaking along with the recordings for better retention. As you progress, challenge yourself with the interactive exercises. Utilize the spaced repetition feature to reinforce vocabulary. Engage with the language through the community forums for additional support. Try to dedicate a specific time each day for consistent practice. Immerse yourself in the language by watching Khmer movies or listening to Khmer music. Consider setting personal goals to track your progress. After completing the initial lessons, move on to more advanced topics. Review and revisit earlier lessons to solidify your understanding. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones in your learning journey. Utilize additional resources like flashcards or mobile apps to enhance your skills. As you gain confidence, seek opportunities to converse with native speakers. Continue exploring different cultural aspects to enhance your learning experience. Finally, be patient and persistent as you work to recover your Khmer skills with Rocket Languages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.